अब हम अपने मुअज़्ज़िज़ पार्लियामेंटेरियन से गुजारिश करते हैं कि अपने नशिस्तों पर तशरीफ़ रखें।
Ladies and gentlemen, every election finds its true completion when the elected representatives take an oath to serve with honesty, dedication, and responsibility. To lead this sacred moment of commitment, it is our honor to invite the guardian of this democratic journey, our respected Sir Muhammad Ali. Sir, we humbly request you to kindly come forward and administer the oath to our newly elected school parliamentarians.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I solemnly pledge that I will perform my duties with honesty, dedication, and passion. I will respect my teachers, cooperate my fellows, and work for the progress, discipline, and the honor of my school. I will always uphold the values of Pakistan, unity, faith, and discipline. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.
In the name of Almighty Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. It's indeed an honor for me to chair this historic first session of our school parliament. Today, as chosen representatives, we gather here to uphold the spirit of democracy, responsibility, and service to our institution. Let this house be a symbol of respect, discipline, and constructive debate for the betterment of our school community. The chair grants permission to the Honorable Minister, Mr. Ayan Shah, to present the bill before this house.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. With your kind permission, Honorable Speaker, I rise to move the bill titled Need of Generation Building. Honorable members of this House, as we all know, our esteemed leaders and ministries of past have built schools, hospitals, roads, bridges, and countless buildings for the progress of our nation. Yet today, the true need of all is not only to build infrastructure, but to build a strong, capable, and value-driven generation, one that will shoulder the responsibilities of tomorrow with wisdom, character, and courage. Honorable Speaker, therefore, through this bill, I humbly seek the support of this august House to pass the resolution for focusing on our energies on generation building, ensuring quality education, moral training, discipline, and leadership development for a brighter future. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, and thank you all the parliamentarians.
Honorable members, the bill titled Need of Generation Building has been moved before this august House. With the unanimous consent of this Assembly, I hereby declare the bill passed. Let it be recorded. Let it be recorded at the collective voice of our Parliament that the true foundation of our progress lies in building a strong generation for the future. With the passing of this bill, today's historic session comes to an end. May this resolution guide us building a brighter tomorrow. The House is now adjourned.
Dear guests, every nation flourishes when its leaders speak with vision and courage. Today, we are honored to invite the pride of our school, our worthy Prime Minister Ilhaq Anis Fatma to kindly come forward and deliver her speech.
Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Distinguished guests, Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I stand here as the elected Prime Minister of this great school. My heart is filled with gratitude, pride, and an unshakable determination. I thank you all for placing your trust in me and for giving me this golden opportunity to serve, and for believing that together we can make a difference. This honor is not mine alone, it belongs to each one of you, to every student who dreams, to every teacher who guides, and to every parent who prays for our success. Dear friends, leadership is not about a crown or a title. It's about services, sacrifices, and sincerity. And today I pledge before you that I will dedicate myself to the progress of this school, the strengthening of our disciplines, the flourishing of our talents, and the shining of our academies. But my mission does not end here. As a daughter and as a representative of youth, I take a solemn oath to raise my voice and work tirelessly, especially for the rights of daughters. Our daughters are not weak, they are strengths of nation, the prides of family, the lights of future. When a daughter is educated, an entire generation is elevated. And when a daughter is respected, humanity is uplifted. So let us dream big, let us work together, and let us create a school environment where discipline, justice, and equality are the pillars of progress. Together, we will prove that youth is the fire that can light the darkest corners, and daughters are the fragrances that complete the garden of society. So once again, thank you for believing in me. May Allah grant us success, unity, and strength. Pakistan Zindabad.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,